A very nice good morning to all of you, my dearest students of Standard 5. Here myself Sunil Singh is going to discuss to you some numerical form of Standard 5. In numerical form, we are going to discuss about Roman numeral. As we know that there are 7 symbols for Roman numerals. Those are written here: I symbol for first, V symbol for fifth, X symbol for 10th, L symbol for 15th, C symbol for 100, D symbol for 500, and M symbol for 1000. We mind and recite these symbols for knowing more about Roman numerals. Note, just remember it for always. Never forget it that V, L and D, those are symbol for V 5th, L 50th, D 500th, are never repeated. It means we cannot write 2V together, 2L together or 2D together. Second note, I, X, C and M are repeated, but repeated only 3 times. It means more than 3 times we cannot repeat the symbol I for 1, X for 10th, C for 100, M for 1000. See here, the exercise 5. Based on this numerical system of Roman, choose the correct answer for each of the following. 13. We have to choose the first one or second one. See here, 13, 10 and 3. 13. But this is the wrong symbol, because we know that no any symbol in Roman numerical value, those are consecutively used more than 3 times. B 49. Here 10 reduced from 50, 40 and 1 reduced from 10th. 9, 40 plus 9, 49. See here, all solved for you. Observe properly, and I hope that you will understand it properly. We know that without doing something, we can't do anything. Why? Because when we start reading, definitely we know something, but when we do not read, we do not take our study properly, we cannot get something from our book as well as from our teachers. Second, question number 2, expressing in Hindu Arabic numerals. All are solved for you. Only observe double X 20, LX double I 62, XLIV 44, LV double I 57, CLX double I 162, M for 1000, D for 500, C for 100, 1000, 500, 100, it means 1600, and double X for 20, 1620, and so on. In such the way, in such process, I have solved all questions for you. See question number 3 for you. Express the following in Roman numerals. Observe properly. Again, remember the symbol what we are discussing. Remember the symbol what we are discussing. I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10th, L stands for 50th, C stands for 100, D stands for 500, M stands for 1000. Observe question number 3. Expression in Roman numerals. Given 60. In 60, we know that we have to use 150 symbol, 110 symbol, and 3 1 symbol. So L for 50, X for 10, 50 plus 10, 60, and 3, 63. 42, we use 40, X less than L, it means 10 less than 50, 40, XL is symbol for 40, and double I is symbol for 2, 42. Same as one example, take question number K. K is given here 1732. 1732. I symbolized here M for 1000, D for 500, C for 100, C for 100. It means MDCC 1700. Triple X symbolized for 30, and double I symbolized for 2. 1732. And in such way, I have solved all the questions what are given in question number 3. Observe question number 4. Question number 4 is given here. Write greater or shorter in the box. Write greater or shorter in the box. Using symbols, one symbol is left here, and that symbol is of equal to, greater than, shorter than, or equal to. Observe here the numerical value what are given. A XX22 stands for 22, XVI stands for 16. Definitely we know that 22 is greater than 16, so we use this symbol. Triple X V triple I, triple X 30, V5 3, 38. LV stands for 55. We know that 38 is smaller than 55, so we use this symbol here. Question number C. MDCC XC stands for 1790. and in Hindu Arabic numeral given 1790, those are equal to each other, so we use here equal symbol. Next, D, LIX stands for 59, XC stands for 90. We know that 59 is less than 90, so if we use this symbol here. E, 777, it means 777. DCLX stands for 660. So here when we observe, we get that 777 is greater than 660. If MDXC 1519, and here in Hindu Arabic numeral given 1590, both are equal, so we put here equal symbol. We have finished here the all questions of question number 4. See, observe here question number 5. Solve the following. Here solution are given for you. L triple I plus triple X. L triple I. L stands for 50 and triple I stands for 3. Plus triple X stands for 30. 50 plus 3, 53 plus 30 equal to 83. It means when we add both, we get sum 83. 83 means 80 plus 3 means 50 plus 30 plus 3. L, we use symbol L for 50, triple X for 30 and triple I for 3. Here the number is 83. B, XL minus double XI. XL, it means 10 less than 50, that will be 40. Double X stands for 20 and I stands for 1. 20 plus 1. 40 minus 21 equal to 19. 10 plus 9. X for 10 and 1 less than X for 9. 10 plus 9, 19. See another example for you. Here observe properly. E, all questions are solved for you, but need to understand how it been solved. E, XXVI plus L double X double I. XX stands for 10 plus 10, 20, V 25, 1, 26. L 50, X 10, X 10, 50, 10, 60, 10, 70 plus 2, 72. 26 plus 72, 98. 98 equal to 90 plus 8. 90 is written in the form of 10 less than 100, X less than C, and 8 V triple I. So the sum of these two numeral is here XCV triple I. Another example G for you, F for you. MXC double I minus M double XIX. M symbol for 1000, X symbol for 100, 10, C symbol for 100. It means 10 less than 100, 1092. 1090 plus 2 1092, m 1000 double x 20 and 1 less than x 9 29 1029. 1092 minus 1029 equal to 63. 63 will be 50 plus 10 plus 3. L symbol for 50, X symbol of 10 and triple I symbol of 3. So here I have solved all the problems of 5 here each I. I hope that you will solve it properly, and at first I instruct you that you will solve by yourself, and if there any problem to understand, kindly see the solutions what are solved for you. Just see here multiple choice questions. Multiple choice question. The seventh place from the right in the place value chart is that of. Seventh place in place value chart in Indian system, we know that 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. This will be that seventh place from the right in the place value chart. 10 lakhs. The digit 7 in 94753810, it means 9 crore 47 lakh 53,810 will be placed in. It means on which place 7 come? 7 comes at which place? Count the place once, 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So at lakh place 7 column of the place value chart. Lakhs. Here 3. The standard form of 7 10 crore. 7 10 crore 70 crore. 5 lakhs 14,000 40,000. 300 2 tens 5 ones. It means 70 crore 5 lakh 40,000 325. 70 crore 5 lakh 40,000 325. The predecessor of 8 crore 90 lakh is. It means which number comes before this number. So minus 1 from it, the number will be 8 crore 89 lakh 99,999. Question number 5. Which among the following is the smallest number? When we observe properly, we get that the smallest number. See the thousands place, 10,000 place and 1,000 place. 16,000, 15,000, 12,000, 18,000. Remain lakh place and crore places. Numbers are, digits or numbers are same in all four. But at 1,000 place, the least number is 12,473. So the number 53 crore 9 lakh 12,473 is the smallest number in all these numbers. The greatest number of 8 digits formed by 86325150 will be. Here when we count, we get the digits, the number of digits are 7, but we need to make the number of 8 digits. So apply 8 double times 8 8 8 6 5 3 2 1 0 8 8 6 5 3 2 1 0. It means the number is 8 crore 86 lakh 53,210. 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. 1 million in international value is equal to Hindu Arabic value is 10 lakh. 100 millions is equal to, here written 100 million is equal to this number. Roman number system is based on 7 digits as we have discussed before it. I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Which of the following digits can be repeated in a Roman numeral? Which of the following digits can be repeated in a Roman numerals? It means Roman numerals में कौन सा डिजिट रिपीट हो सकता है? That is C, because V, L and D are never repeated. So I hope you will understand well and properly prepare this number system. Here we finished the number system. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. We will meet again with next video.